The lab we'll be doing today is going to be with gas tubes and diffraction lenses. First off, what we'll be doing is we'll be placing small tubes of 4 different elements into the gas tube, gas tube holder. The elements we'll be working with today will be chlorine, hydrogen, bromine, and neon. The first element that we're going to be using is chlorine. The chlorine, once you put on the tube, the chlorine seems to emit white light, but with the diffraction lenses, which can't be seen through the camera, will have thick lines of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. Make sure for safety reasons, when you're removing the chlorine tube or any other different type of tube, to use a napkin or cloth due to the fact that the tube will be really easy. Make sure to put the tube in a place where it can sit and cool down, not directly back into the container. Next chemical we'll be testing is hydrogen. Once you put on the tube for hydrogen, it emits a lilac on both ends and then a pink in the middle. But through the diffraction lenses, there are thin bold stripes of red, cyan, and violet, with very faded and very light stripes of green and orange, and a thin light stripes of yellow. Once the previous tube is cooled down, make sure to place it back into the container. The next element we'll be working with will be bromine. Once you put on the bromine light, there's a thin stripe of peach. But through the diffraction lenses, there are very, very thin, bold stripes of yellow, red, green, and blue. Next, we're working with will be neon. Neon appears to distribute a red light, but through the diffraction lenses, it has very thin, majority red stripes of yellow and green, and also including red. Once you're done, and all of the tubes have cooled down, make sure to place them back into the holder. As you can see with this lab, like the previous one, due to the type of colors that the certain chemical emits, you are able to determine the wavelength, frequencies, and other types of characteristics.